Welcome to Lesson 6 of GoMining Basics course. In this lesson, we'll talk about one of the most integral parts of the GoMining ecosystem, the GoMining token. But before we explore how it works, we need to understand what a token is in the context of blockchains. In simple terms, a token is a digital representation of value, rights, or access that exists on a blockchain. Unlike traditional currencies or assets, tokens are programmable. They follow rules encoded in smart contracts. Tokens can represent almost anything, such as currency or money, for example, USDT or USDC. Ownership rights, like shares in a company or property titles. Access or utility, for example, using a service or voting in governance. Unique items, like NFTs representing art, music, or collectibles. In other words, tokens can have different functions depending on how they are designed. Some are used for payments, others grant governance rights, and many provide utility inside specific platforms. If you want to learn more about tokens in general and their applications, check out GoMining Academy for that. Now it's time to learn more about GoMining token. In this lesson, you'll learn what GoMining token is, how GoMining token works, and how you can use it as part of a broader crypto strategy. Let's dive in. What is the GoMining token? The GoMining token is a utility token with a defined role in the GoMining ecosystem. It is not just a token for trading, it is tied to real Bitcoin mining infrastructure and has multiple use cases across GoMining. Launched in 2021, the GoMining token is a core part of the GoMining ecosystem that is actively used by hundreds of thousands of people every day. GoMining token powers. Discounts when paying for maintenance fees in GoMining token. Governance rights through the VE GoMining tokenomics model. Purchases on the marketplace. Access to rewards and VIP features. In-game boosts and functions inside GoMining's miner wars. GoMining token outside the ecosystem. The GoMining token is a utility token, but it isn't limited to use inside the GoMining app. It's a full-fledged cryptocurrency, listed on major crypto exchanges, such as Kraken, KuCoin, Orca and others, and supported by a growing community of 4 million global app users. It has been independently audited by two leading blockchain security firms in the crypto industry, CertiK and Cyberscope. Both confirmed that the token meets key security and quality standards. According to their reports, GoMining is rated as low risk and reliable. Let's zoom in on what the GoMining token is used for. Miner creation and upgrades. You can use GoMining tokens to create miners and upgrade their power and energy efficiency. This allows you to increase your BTC rewards and optimize your mining strategy. Maintenance payments. By default, the maintenance fee is automatically deducted from your BTC rewards and you receive the remaining amount. You can choose to pay the fee separately with GoMining tokens instead of Bitcoin. This lets you keep your full Bitcoin reward and also get up to a 20% discount on the maintenance fee. The discount depends on your GoMining token balance, including tokens held in your GoMining wallet and those locked to receive VE GoMining votes. The more future days of maintenance you cover, the bigger your discount. Marketplace purchases. GoMining is the only currency accepted on the GoMining marketplace. You can use it to buy miners resold by other users. Limited edition miners released by GoMining. GoMiners avatars. GoMining merchandise. In-game use in miner wars. Boosts are one of the main mechanics in the miner wars game. They increase your personal and clan score and can only be purchased using GoMining tokens from your GoMining wallet. 97.5% of tokens spent by players on boosts go into the prize pool, which is then distributed among the winners in the individual competition. These rewards are paid in GoMining tokens, on top of the regular BTC rewards earned from clan victories. Provide liquidity. For advanced crypto users, you can provide liquidity for the GoMining USDT pair on PancakeSwap directly through your GoMining account. This helps power token swaps. In return, you'll earn a share of swap fees and receive extra GoMining token rewards. And the best part is that you can do it directly from the GoMining app. Participate in governance. If you lock your GoMining tokens, it gives you the opportunity to take part in the governance of the GoMining ecosystem. This means you can help shape key decisions, influence how rewards are distributed, and play a role in the platform's development over time. To participate, you lock GoMining tokens either from your GoMining virtual wallet or an external Ethereum wallet. In return, you receive VE GoMining votes, which are calculated based on how many tokens you lock and for how long. These votes give you weekly GoMining rewards, voting power to participate in governance decisions, progress toward higher VIP levels, where more votes equals higher level. Your locked token balance also counts toward your total GoMining balance when calculating maintenance fee discounts. From rewards and governance to VIP levels and discounts, locking your tokens gives you more than just immediate perks, it ties you directly into the engine that powers GoMining's ecosystem. But to fully understand the bigger picture, we need to look at the framework that makes this possible. VE tokenomics. In the next lesson, we'll explore how VE tokenomics shapes incentives, strengthens the community, and ensures the system's sustainability.